Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Chromebook. Remove visible screws and any rubber feet that hide fasteners. Once the bottom cover is off, make sure to ground yourself. Static kills components, so touch metal or wear an anti-static strap. Now inspect the motherboard area near the battery, BIOS chip, or a labeled hole. Manufacturers place the right protect screw in one of those spots. Use a bright light and a magnifier if needed, and identify the exact screw you will remove next. You now remove the right protect screw using the correct size Phillips to avoid stripping. A small magnetized driver helps, but don't force it. Once loosened, extract the screw carefully and place it in a labeled container or tape so you can restore it later. Losing it prevents reassembly. If the right protect is a solder jumper or pin header instead, make sure you know whether to desolder or move a jumper if unsure. Stop and consult a technician, because improper desoldering risks permanent board damage. After removing the screw, reassemble the chassis in reverse order, reconnect the battery last, and tighten screws evenly. Once done, power on and enter recovery or developer mode to verify you can modify firmware or write to the protected region. This confirms success. If the Chromebook fails to boot or you still see write protect errors, make sure cables and the battery are seated. Try clearing CMOS/EC by removing power for a minute, then retry. If problems persist, stop and get professional support to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.